Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Cameron Felix Garrison and I am everyone's go-to consultant on how to live your most effortlessly fabulous lifestyle. In today's video, I actually have two IPSY bags to unbox with you. I believe this is from September and this is from October. Yeah, I know. I forgot to do it. And also, because I don't have on any makeup or anything, and I've never done this, I'm just going to do a try on with you guys while I have you here. So, again, my name is Cameron Felix Garrison. You can find me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, all of those places. Give me a follow. Put some, let's say, green hearts under my picture if you comment, and I'll follow you back. And that will let me know that you are coming from YouTube. I got vaccinated today, you guys, so that is, I mean, I don't know. I feel a little weird. Anyways, let's start. Let's start with September. I don't even remember what is in here. I don't know nothing. Sit it here. First things first, Nabla Shine Theory Lip Gloss. Excuse my nails, I didn't get an appointment this week like I thought I would yesterday. Let's try this on and we'll look it up at the same time. So this is in the, I guess, color Renaissance. I actually need a little lip on anyways. Okay, heavy, nice, cool. Shake it up. Okay, it's a lip gloss. Oh. It's nice. It's not sticky. I'll put on another layer for you girls that, but you see how much gloss is just with that one. Nabla Shine Theory Lip Gloss. $15 on Ulta Beauty, $18 on Beauty Bay. MURAD Clarifying Oil-Free Water Gel. Oh, it's a moisturizer. MURAD, $44. And because this is like nice skincare, it's a moisturizer, I'm not gonna open this for y'all. What's the shelf life on it once it's open? 12 months, exactly. Yeah. When I'm ready to open that, I will do it and I'll share it with you guys. I actually have a whole bunch right now of products that are empties that I want to share with you guys. I just have to sit down and film the video. Now, this is Sweet Chef Turmeric. I thought it was turmeric. Turmeric. Oh, turmeric is a thing. Okay. Turmeric plus vitamin C booster eye gel. Ooh. Okay. Nice. Ooh, heavy. $18, $17.99 at Target. Context nail lacquer set. Oh, these kind of look like Chanel. I see what they did here. Not really, but I don't mind these colors. I wonder if they're any good. If you want these or if you've tried these, comment below and let me know. I probably won't use them. I mean, I might maybe, I have someone do my pedicures and manicures, honey. I'm not going to use them. MAKIAGE. This is an Israeli brand. I've always wanted to try this brand. Why does it say it was, oh, packaged in Canada, probably. I thought it was an Israeli brand. I swear someone told me that. Color Boss Squad Multi Eye Color Quad. Not that this kind of looked open, you guys. Could you see it before I opened it? Ooh, it's so heavy and nice, though. Look at that. Hold up, mood, entourage, and clap back, honey. That's nice. Wow. I mean, luxury. Those are some pretty colors. I'm not even a purple fan, but I like that. Okay, MAKIAGE, I see you. How much is that? Where did I put my phone? $36. All right, so that was the last one in this one. It also had this. Oh, it's the back to school one. So what was this? September? Yeah, September 2021. Okie dokie. Halloween. Hopefully nothing broke. Oh, Recovery 111 skin. Now, everyone knows that this is expensive. Oh, yeah. Shelf life? 12 months, not opening it. Ooh, I bet that's like a night cream. Ah, I needed a new night cream, you guys, and guess how much this is? Did I drop it? And maybe it... $280. But where's there's supposed to be I think it says that there's a stick with it. Maybe not. Yeah, from Dermastore, it says it comes with a spatula. $280. So right there, paid for my IPSY Dermalect Beauty Sleep Serum. $42. It's a serum. Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. What the fuck? Overnight treatment effectively revitalizes dull-looking skin, focuses on fine lines, wrinkling, and large pores. Great for aging spots and uneven tone, multitasking facial and décolleté applications. Okay, so this is definitely something I want. I like to have the boxes when I put them in my cabinet downstairs. Wonder Beauty Hydrating Mask. You can always use one of these. Did I look up the Dermalect? 42, okay. I could just pull up my IPSY app and it would tell me all this. I don't know why I'm wasting my time. $38. If it's the one with the gold tip, which I believe this is a full-size product. Oh. They played a bitch. Hold on. Oh, $15? Yeah, they just changed their packaging. Different packaging. It's a mini. Wow. I mean, that $280 moisturizer. The go-to, the Removalist, a detoxifying clay mask for a complete clean out. Has anyone tried this brand? Never heard of it. Cute. I like the color. All right. Okay, so I guess I couldn't really try anything on with you guys. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Again, this is another IPSY unboxing. I'm super stoked about this and this and this. Oh, is there something else in here? No. I think next month is the IPSY X package. So, okay. This was worth it. 2 months of IPSY, you guys. Again, if anybody wants these or if you've used this brand, let me know how it is. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a fabulous weekend.